Okay, so I went ahead and wrote down my information ahead of time for this one. We have 4.05 pounds of lead, and the density of lead for this problem is 11.36 grams per centimeters cubed. So I went ahead and wrote my formulas to the side as well. We know that density is mass over volume, and if we rearrange that equation, we can find the volume equation, which is volume equals mass over density. And we have to do a couple conversions for this problem. We have to do centimeters cubed to inches cubed and pounds to grams. So I went ahead and wrote down the conversions for that. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, and 1 pound equals 0.4536 kilograms. And then once we convert to kilograms, we can use our metric conversions to convert that to grams, which is what the problem needs. And okay, so now that we have our information, we can begin working out the actual problem. And the first thing we need to do is convert our pounds into grams so that it can be compatible with the actual problem. So we're going to go ahead and write that out. 1 over the 4.4536, which is how many kilograms are in a pound, and we have to divide it out this way so we can find out our actual conversion factor to convert pounds to kilograms, because we use this one for kilograms to pounds. So 36. Okay, that's going to equal 2.205. And since we're going smaller to larger, we're going to divide, and 2.205 is going to be our conversion factor for that. So underneath here we can go ahead and write 4.05 over 1, and then multiply that by 1 kilogram over 2.205 pounds. So and then pounds cancel out on both sides. So pounds cancel out, and then we just have kilograms, and we have to do 4.05 divided by 2.205, and that is going to give us our kilograms, which is going to be 1.8. Okay, so 3 significant figures, because 4.05, so it would actually be 1.84 kilograms. But we still need to change this to grams, and we can do that with our metric conversion, and we can write out King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And so, since we're going from kilograms to our base, which is grams, go over 4 times, which means we move the decimal over 4 times, or 3 times, and that would mean it's 1,836, because originally this was 1.836, blah blah blah, and I accidentally rounded too early. Now that we actually have our 1,836 grams, we can actually start doing the actual equation, because we finished with the weight conversion. So let me see, there we go. So our volume formula is going to be 1,836 grams, which is our mass, over our density, which is 11.36 grams per centimeter square, or cubed. So grams cancel out. I do division, which is 1,836 divided by 11.36, and that's going to give us hold on, 161 point rounding, so 161.6 centimeters cubed. Okay, but we still need to put this in inches cubed because that's what the problem asks us to do. And we do, if 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, but can write out 161.6 centimeters cubed, divide that by 1, and then multiply by our conversion, which is 1 inch over 1 inch cubed, which is 2.54 centimeters. Wait, is that? Oh, I have the. Hold on, let me get my conversion sheet. I have the length, not the inches cubed. I just have inches. So. Where is it? Okay, so our conversion unit is actually going to be inches cubed equal, or 1 inch cubed equals 16.387 centimeters cubed. And since we're going larger, or since we're going smaller to larger, we divide. So, and then cancel out our centimeters, and then we do 1.6 divided by 16.387, which is going to give us our final answer of 9.86 inches cubed. And this is our final answer for the volume.